Right, Medline's 3-in-1 steel bedside commode is basically the classic, polished option you see in many caregiver kits. Sturdy steel frame, 7.5 QT removable bucket, clip-on seat, tool-free assembly, and a 350 pounds capacity on the standard seat model. This is the unit people often buy when they want a slightly more medical-grade finish and easy cleaning, and it shows up across multiple retailers. For example, some merchant listings show this kind of Medline 3-in-1 commode in a typical price band around $120. Carewell lists a similar Medline commode at $119.61, which positions it as an affordable but dependable mid-tier choice. Customers praise the Microban antimicrobial finishes on some Medline lines and the clip-on seat for quick cleaning. From a usability POV, this unit is built for frequent use. The steel frame feels solid. The clip-on seat makes sanitation quicker, no fiddly screws, and conversion to an over-toilet raised seat or bedside commode is genuinely simple and intuitive. People who install it in care homes or use it for extended rehab periods often call out its reliability and the absence of unpleasant wobble that cheaper models sometimes have. The downsides reflect the trade-offs. Medline tends to be a bit more expensive than the cheapest drive brand options, and if you want the Microban antimicrobial protection, you'll pay a premium. Also, while the standard seat works fine for many, folks with broader hips or special needs may want an elongated or bariatric version instead. Pros: sturdy, easy to clean, tool-free assembly, medical-grade feel. Cons: pricier than the absolute budget models. Seat shape may not suit every body type without buying the alternate seat. If you want a balance of durability and practical sanitation features and don't mind spending a little more, the Medline 3-in-1 is one of the safer bets. We share by links in the description box.